Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox shaders. Shaders are powerful tools that can transform your Roblox experience, making the game look incredibly vibrant and realistic. They introduce advanced visual effects like dynamic lighting, enhanced shadows, and rich color correction. Imagine your favorite Roblox worlds with stunning new depth and detail. This process allows you to elevate your gameplay with a visually superior aesthetic, bringing a fresh perspective to every adventure you embark on. When looking for a shader solution, it is important to choose a reliable tool. RawShade is a well-known option that utilizes a post-processing injector to enhance Roblox's visuals. It offers various quality presets, including options for ray tracing, which can make light appear more vibrant and realistic. Always verify that the tool supports your operating system, such as Windows 7 or above, and download only from its official website to avoid potential security risks. Once you have chosen your preferred shader tool, the installation process is straightforward. First, download the installer file directly from the official source. Next, launch the installer and carefully follow each step presented on your screen. During the setup, you will be prompted to select the game you wish to apply the shaders to. Ensure you choose Roblox. The installer will then integrate the necessary files, typically taking only a few moments to complete. After installation, you can customize your shader experience. Experiment with different presets to discover the visual style that best suits your preferences. If you notice any performance drops, especially on systems with less powerful hardware, consider disabling some of the more demanding effects. For example, a graphics card like a GT 1030 with 2 GB of GDDR5 memory is a good baseline. Regularly checking for updates will ensure your shaders remain compatible with Roblox and that you have access to the latest features.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.